Hello.
Hi. Ching.
We have an aggressive cold front
Winds of up to 150 kilometres per hour.
and severe weather warnings in exposed areas. Just imagine crossing Bass Strait tonight.
Yeah, imagine. Sorry, what?
Seas 627 metres to westerly winds, reaching 50 knots offshore.
It turns out Bass Strait had delivered us the perfect storm.
It's not the perfect storm. The perfect storm would have a little chaos where you could get like a little nut Sunday. Shit. This is actually not good. This is a massive storm. This is not a fun sailboat ride. Not as fun.
As we bravely hid below deck with everything crashing down around us, we really did begin to think.
Who gives a shit about Tasmania anyway?